We got one brake light working. So it's pretty easy to change these out. You just gotta open this to get to the guts. And there's two Torx screws holding it in place. This one's on this side. And on this one, see that? You can see it right through there. So you get it at that angle. And what I'm going to do here is I've taken two extensions like that, put it in my drill, turn this down, and there's screw number one, and screw number two. It just pulls off like this. See that? See, it has those right there. These go into there. And you just pull those out real gentle like. The whole thing comes out. You find the bulb. Go step on the brake again. Oh, it's the top one. Never mind. Now make sure. We're gonna look over here, make sure we got the right bulbs. Is that top one? And that would be this one. It even says on top there. All right, so they're in here with a rubber seal. So you just kind of pop them out like that. And sure enough, that puppy is toast. So you just pull it out. They also have numbers on there too. Wagner, and yeah, let's see. 21422. This says P277W, so that's not. It's different. Anyway, all right. So we'll go get a bulb. Was thinking to myself, do I really need to do the reinstall on this one? Okay, it's pretty easy. Put it together exactly how it came apart. Put the screws back in. If you're using a drill, make sure you dial that sucker way down. I would use a screwdriver so you don't strip out the little screw. You don't want to do that. The bulb numbers different for different years, so make sure you take that burnt bulb down to auto parts place or even Walmart. They sell bulbs too for usually a lot cheaper than your auto parts shop. That's where we got ours, and it's that easy. Put that sucker back together exactly how it came apart. I shouldn't have to show you that part, honestly. This is mechanic training 101. I hope that helped. Anyway, later. And oh hey, subscribe and see some other videos from the Jeep Liberty. Later.